Welcome back to Zam's Beijing Footprints, where I go beyond the usual tourist spots and show you the hidden sides of Beijing and its surroundings. Today, I am escaping the city and heading north to Miyun District, to a place where nature and adventure come together, Baihe River. This spot is especially beautiful in winter, with snow-dusted mountains and calm, untouched vibe. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or just slowing down and enjoying the outdoors. This isn't a quick day trip, it's about fully switching off and getting into nature. So, will I actually get good at the slingshot? And will the tea turn out as good as I hope? Stick around and come with me as I explore Baihe River, mixing adventure, chill moments, and a bit culture along the way. Well, this area is quite remote and surrounded with mountains. It's the edge of Beijing. Right now, my plan was totally disturbed. It was completely puzzled today. I couldn't decide for a long time what exactly I should do, whether I should go for hiking or camping. And I decided for camping, but the place I chose was different than this one where we are right now. This is Baihe 1. I think I went to other section of Baihe 1 like in summer when it was everything greenish and misty mountains and cloudy and raining. Right now it's minus 11 degrees Celsius, 28th of December, and we are on the edge of Beijing. It's actually Miyun District and it's called Baihe 1. Completely frozen, completely iced, and completely remote area, no one around, surrounded with mountains all around, and let's see how it goes. So let's set our tent here, this spot. And I don't want to clean any ice, any snow. So just put some insulation.
because I don't have any blowing device that can fill this air mattress. So I'm gonna use this vacuum cleaner, which is for my car. So I'm gonna try from the back side because the air comes out from here. So I will try if it can work. Oh man. So it's early in the morning. I moved from home at about 7 o'clock and I arrived here. Right now it's almost 9 or 9:30ish. So my plan is to have a rest for a while because it's been quite a long drive, and then plan to maybe fish and cook something. Let's see, because it's too cold. Oh. Let's have some exhaust. Whoa. How to break it? Oh no, I need to take off my gloves. That's bad.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
This is sports. That's not more. So this is my first time using this pot, and I'm planning to make Pakistani chai, but let's see what kind of pots they have in here. So we have milk here. That's enough. And then we need some sugar and tea. Let's put everything inside. Well, I don't know how I managed to take it out and put this on this. It twisted close, and I'm gonna try this. I don't know how to be. I need the surface a little bit straight. I need to open it. Yeah. Oh no, it was downside. Oh no, what I was doing, so stupid. Oh my goodness. And then how I turned it on then? Alright, so I need to put my hand down. Yeah. Okay, one more time. Yeah, it's working. Off the fire. Okay. मेरे हाथ काम रहे हैं और ठंड से. वाह. एक पाकिस्तानी को क्या चाहिए? चाय. और ऐसे मौसम में ज़बरदस्त. ट्रक ड्राइवरों वाली चाय है. कमाल हो गया. लेकिन मुझे अपने हाथों को बचाना है. इसको मैं रखता हूँ कहीं पे और पहले अपने बर्तन को साफ करता हूँ. So this was our today's trip and today's vlog. I hope you liked the vlog. It was such a wonderful, peaceful and quiet journey. I enjoyed my weekend, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, like my video, share and comment. You will be watching me in the next vlog. Until that time, bye bye.